Hey everyone. So back at it again with DSJ exchange and BG wealth sharing. Just wanted to emphasize again how legit and real this is. Easy money, no experience needed, easy learning. I make decent increase on my profits. Really not much to it, guys. Just register, sign up, no subscription fees, and invest anywhere between 500 or more, preferably, or recommended. Again, I've stated this before in my other video, but definitely recommending you invest a minimum of $1,000. If not, $500 will do. The more you invest, the more you make, the quicker you make, even more, but $500 will do just fine. Do it for yourself, guys. Do it for your financial freedom. Do it to improve on your life, for yourself, family, your kids, whoever. um, a couple things I wanted to mention that I didn't in the last video, that this does have a 99.6% success rate. It's almost 100% success rate, right? Either way, it's guaranteed 99.6% success rate during trading times, right? Twice a day, 10:30 a.m., 4:30 p.m., depending where you are in the world. Mine's Pacific Standard Time. Those are the times that I copy and paste these codes. Again, guys, this is AI crypto trading. BG Wealth has an AI trading system for cryptos. Okay? They have a very high-end, high-tech intellectual system that they're utilizing in order to make these trades automatic. Automatic trades. Nothing manual. You don't have to trade yourself. It's literally copy and paste, and you get these codes twice a day. And these codes are generated from their system, their AI system, and it's basically copying their trading system. And it's all you do is copy and paste, and it mimics the trading, that they conduct, but for you, right? So again, guys, initially invested 1,000, barely 2 months in. Look at my total assets, right? $2,500, over $2,500 for a $1,000 investment. Refer people. Again, not a Ponzi scheme, not a pyramid scheme. You don't have to, but it is recommended you do. Why not? Why not share this, wealth investing information? Why not? It's free to share. You're not asking people to sign up for a subscription. They don't pay anything monthly. You invest what you want to put into yourself. If you want to, depending on how much you want to make, right? The more, the better. If you don't have more, do what you can, but at least invest, and slowly but surely get there where you want to be at, financially, right? Again, 1.2% compounding daily. It's not rocket science, guys. This is easy money. It's not too good to be true. This is true, right? This is true. Just want to show you guys around the platform a little bit, right? Not hard. Again, no experience needed. You can have experience. It doesn't matter. Easy learning, right? This is the platform, DSJ Exchange. This is an amazing opportunity, amazing company, guys. Over 500,000 worldwide registered users. Okay. So I'll show you guys where you're going to input these codes when you get them, when you register. You're going to hit futures down here. You got these 5 options here. You got home, market, futures, perpetual, assets. All right, you guys have seen my assets. Not hiding anything. This is all real, guys. The withdrawals are real. Withdraw anytime as well. It's preferred you withdraw after the 50-day mark. If you don't, you're going to get charged a 20% withdrawal fee. So anything after 50 days, when you withdraw, it'll be a 12% withdrawal fee. Very, very small. See, back at it again down here. Perpetual. We'll go to future. So when you get these codes, all right, you're going to log into your DSJ account, which is this platform. And down here, you got these tabs right here. You got position order, you got historical orders, invited me, and follow up. For the most part, the only thing you're going to need is this tab right here where it says invited me. Just click that. Invited me. These permanent codes, they're called signal codes. They're called permanent signal codes. These are your permanent codes that you will be getting every day, 7 days a week, 24 hours. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. But it's only going to be, twice a day, right? Depending where you're at. Again, I'm at Pacific Standard Time. I'm getting it at 10:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. You're going to get these codes sent to you. And you're going to take these codes. You're going to enter it in this box right here. Okay? Right here. Right next to where it says confirm. Copy the code once you receive it. And then you're going to paste the code into this box. And then you're going to hit, right, confirm right here. This is where you're going to hit. I don't have the code. I've already done the code. It's over, past 2 a.m. in the morning. They're not releasing it right now. So I'll just hit confirm so you can see no code. So you're going to get that error message. Okay, please enter code. I don't have a code right now. I've already done it for the day or yesterday. So today hasn't come out yet. All right. Input the code where it says please enter the order code. You're going to paste it in there and then hit confirm. And then it's going to go through. It's going to do the trade for you. Right? It's going to accept that code and automatically trade for you at a 99.6% success rate. Okay. The second code you get for the day, same thing. You come through here, you log into your DSJ account, you go to futures. Down there on the tab, it says futures. You're going to get these options. You're going to hit invited me. Go to the box, input the code, hit confirm. Okay. Easy as that. That's it. And then it'll trade for you and you'll get your profits. I don't know what else to say, guys. It's not hard. It's easy money. And, give it some time and you'll start to see your profits. Your total asset will increase on a daily and then monthly. You'll see how significant those profits have become. You got to remember, do the math, right? Say you're invested at $1,000 right off the bat. Daily, that would be like $8 to $10. Twice a day, $20. Right, $20. Just say it's $20 a day, right? $10 per code. Twice a day times 2, that's $20. For 31 days, it's over $600 a month. But because it's compounding at 1.2% daily, right? Your $1,000 initial investment, the following month will become $2,000. Now you're making like $30 to $35 a day, right? $15 to $16 twice a day. It's about over $30 a day. The following month, you're making $900 monthly, right? And then on the third month, you'll be making more, over $1,000 monthly. I think maybe over $1,200 monthly. so on and so forth. It continues to grow, right? Eventually, for example, your assets will reach $10,000 within 2 to 3 months. I say, let's do 3 months. In 3 months, reaching a $10,000 asset from your initial investment of $1,000, you finally reach $10,000. 3 months after that, your total asset would have increased by another $20,000, making your total asset $30,000. That is amazing. That's exciting. That is motivational, right? That would be at the point where honestly I would make it a withdrawal. It would be worth making a withdrawal. And more than likely I'd probably just withdraw my initial investment, right? The $1,000 I first invested, now it's zero risk. You don't have anything to lose. You've withdrawn your initial investment of $1,000. Again, just an example. It could maybe 5,000, right? But if you've reached a point where you've made, a $30,000 profit, or even $20,000, or even $10,000 profit, yeah, I'll withdraw my initial investment and I'll leave the rest in there so it can continue to grow. And then eventually when it reaches a point where it's satisfied me financially, I'm going to withdraw and still continue to leave something in there so it could continue to grow and I can continue to work it, right? Twice a day, 7 days a week. Why not? It's continuously make money. Quit my job. Go live life now. Go be more happy, right? Not have to struggle or worry about finances. Be a little more stress. Have a little less stress, right? Or be stress free. Whatever the case. Everybody's different. So that's where I'm at with it, right? It'll be zero risk if you do that. Nothing to lose. Again, no subscription fees. Free to sign up, free to get started. You're only paying what you want to invest. You're paying for yourself, right? Not only that, you put in $1,000 initially. You'll get your $1,000 investment into the exchange, as well as being referred as a newcomer, right? New to BG Wealth and DSJ Exchange, you get a bonus. So you'll also get these other codes every day until you hit a total of, I believe, depending on how much you invest, 4 to 12 to 16 codes, and these are called signal codes. So the signal codes, or more specifically, bonus signal codes, right? Because you have your permanent signal codes, and then you have your bonus signal codes. The bonus are temporary. You get, again, I believe 4 to 12 to 16 of those, depending on how much you invest. It's a total of, so your 2 permanent signal codes, and then you get like another, I believe, 4 signal codes on top of that. Right? So a total of 6 for the day until you hit the amount, or reach the amount that you have received, like in bonuses. Like if you were given 16 bonus signal codes, then it would be 4 days straight of bonus signal codes on top of your 2 permanent. So the first day you would get 4 bonus signal codes, and then the second day another 4, third day another 4, and then on the 4th day you get the last of the 4, which would total out 16 bonus signal codes. So if you get my drift, like so it adds up. 4 times 4, right? 4 days, 4 signal codes, bonus signal codes, total of 16. And then on top of that, you also get your 2 permanent signal codes every day, right? So yeah, easy, guys. That's really all I have. Again, not a scam. Don't believe in everything you read online on the internet. It's fake news. Take it from real people. I don't have like a million followers. I'm not an influencer, but I do want this out there and I want people to benefit from it. So you have nothing to lose really, but a lot to gain. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have. Until next time, feel free to ask me some questions. I got answers for you guys. I'll ask me for updates. I'll give you guys updates. You know, all real. I have proof. There's proof. Other people are making money, so why not you? I'm gonna continue to make money. And that's that. So, till next time.